Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Unplug your microwave to stay safe. Then check if the turntable is properly seated and free of debris. Misalignment often causes humming. Clean any stuck food particles inside. If the noise continues, the magnetron fan could be dirty or failing and needs a professional to fix it. Never attempt internal repairs yourself.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.